everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to create a chart from yes and no cells in Excel. To create a chart from yes and no cells in Excel, first you should calculate each percentage of the yes and no cells for each column and then create the chart based on the percentages. We will use these two formulas to calculate the percentage of the yes and percentage of the no cells. So let's begin with the percentage of the yes cells. I will click on the cell B16. I will insert the formula. First I want to count the total number of yes cells in this particular column, so I will use the COUNTIF function. Press tab, select your data range, comma, insert your criteria which is counting the yes cells, close the bracket. As I want to obtain a percentage, so I will divide this value by the total number of cells in this particular column. So in order to count the total number of cells containing text values, we will use COUNTIF function. We'll select our data range, close the bracket and press enter. Next you will drag the autofill handle to the right side to copy the formula for our columns. Similarly, repeat the same process for calculating the no percentage of the no cells. Change the criteria to no. Drag the autofill handle to the right side. Select both values and change the formatting to the percentage. Next you hold the control key and select the values and the headers. Click on the insert tab. In the charts group, click on the insert column or bar chart drop down list and select the stacked bar chart. I have inserted the chart for yes and no percentages. I will edit the chart title to yes no chart, and you can also add some elements based on your need to your chart. So I want to add the data labels. I will take data labels, and as you can see the data labels have been added to my chart. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.